Welcome to the story of Ikoro, the ancient Igbo drum that connects us to our ancestors and our heritage. Ikoro is more than just a drum. It's a symbol of Igbo culture and tradition. It represents communication, community, and celebration. The origins of Ikoro date back to the 14th century, a time when the Igbo people were establishing their unique cultural identity in the heart of Africa. The Ikoro, a large wooden drum, was not just an instrument but a vital part of their daily lives. It was used as a means of communication between villages, sending messages across great distances. The rhythmic beats of the Ikoro could convey news of celebrations, warnings of danger, or calls to gather for important meetings. This method of communication was crucial in maintaining the social fabric of the Igbo communities. Over time, it evolved into a powerful symbol of Igbo identity. The Ikoro became more than just a communication tool. It was a representation of unity, strength, and cultural heritage. During ceremonies and festivals, the Ikoro's deep, resonant sound would echo through the villages, reminding the Igbo people of their shared history and traditions. Ikoro plays a vital role in Igbo culture, from traditional ceremonies to modern-day celebrations. This massive wooden drum, often carved from a single tree trunk, is more than just a musical instrument. It is a powerful symbol of communication and community. In ancient times, the Ikoro was used to send messages across villages, announcing important events, emergencies, or gatherings. Its deep, resonant sound could travel for miles, ensuring that everyone within the community was informed. It's a call to gather, a symbol of unity, and a testament to the strength of the Igbo people. During festivals and ceremonies, the Ikoro's beats bring people together, fostering a sense of belonging and shared identity. The drum's rhythms are not just heard but felt, resonating deep within the hearts of those who listen, and a reminder of our shared heritage. The Ikoro stands as a living link to the past, connecting generations through its timeless sound. It is a cherished artifact that embodies the rich history and enduring spirit of the Igbo culture, reminding us of where we come from and the values that bind us together. Ikoro is more than just a drum. It is a heartbeat that echoes through the ages, resonating with the spirit of the Igbo people. It's a connection to our past, a reminder of where we come from and the rich cultural heritage that shapes our identity. A symbol of our present, it unites us in celebration and in times of reflection, bringing communities together in harmony and joy. And a bridge to our future, it ensures that the legacy of our ancestors is passed down to the next generation, keeping our traditions alive. Let us continue to celebrate and honor this ancient tradition, nurturing it with love and pride, so that it may continue to inspire and uplift us for generations to come. Ikoro, the heartbeat of Igbo culture,